Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to manage access to a table in the Google Sheets app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up Google Sheets. And here it opens up in this view. And from here we just have to find the table that we want to edit. And then tap on the three dots next to its name, and then tap on Manage Access. And here we can set what kind of access does people have to this table. We can change it from restricted to anyone with the link, and then if we send the link to some of our colleagues or collaborators, they're going to have access to edit this document. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.